Yo, what's up, y'all? I guess you could say this is an update video on my four-wheeler. I don't know when I'm getting it back yet. It's not going to be long, hopefully. And hopefully they do fix it, like I said. There's a chance they can't rethread it. If they can, it's going to be in there longer because I'll have to get a whole new bottom end of my motor. Because you can't just buy an old pan for them. So, and that's what sucks about the way Honda does it. You got to buy the whole bottom end. But hey, it was my fault and it happened, so I can't be mad. But he's been working on his boat a little. He's got it's a two-stroke. I just started it a little. But I'm also trading Outlaw, so they're no longer for sale. I got rid of them. I gotta wash them one more time. And yeah, they'll be gone Thursday. So I'm going to trade them. Then I'll show y'all what we got. I think y'all are going to like it. Yeah, I just want to tell y'all that. And I'll probably add on some more stuff to this video. It's idling real low right now. But yeah, it runs good now, though. It's just been sitting a while. It's a Mercury 62 stroke. I forgot what year he said it was. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all that. Down below, if y'all would like for me to go back to search for a power source and make a video with their inventory again, just let me know, and I will. And shout out to them, their links in the description if you want to check out some of their inventory on their website. So yeah.